How to use SMS post reminders for Instagram with Tailwind. Start by creating or uploading a new draft. Select Instagram feed post or story. Click on the Go Schedule Post button. Select the SMS reminder option. Enter your 10-digit phone number. Click on the Save Number button. When a new phone number is added or an existing phone number is edited, you will be sent a verification code. Type in the verification code and select Submit. Fill out the remaining details and select Schedule Post. Sit back and relax. You will receive an SMS notification when your post is ready to be published. You will receive a text message at the scheduled time. Tap on the link included in the text message to open up the Time to Post page. From here, tap on the Copy Caption to Clipboard button. For single images, long press the image and select Save to Photos, then skip ahead to step 20. Long press the button to download the image or video. Tap the Download Linked File button from the pop-up menu. Navigate to the Files app. Tap on your recently downloaded file. Press the Share icon. Tap to save the image or video to your camera roll. Then, open the Instagram app and click the plus icon to create a new post. Select the post type from the pop-up menu. Select the saved image or video from your camera roll. If uploading multiple images, select the carousel button. Paste the caption that was saved to your clipboard. And finally, tap the Share button to publish your new Instagram post. Congratulations! You've successfully published your post using Tailwind's SMS notification feature.